So that is a very good question. How do particles become quantum entangled in the first place? Simply put, by interacting with each other. When particles become dependent on each other in some way through interaction, they are now entangled. That's because the state of one particle will influence the state of another. Veritasium actually did an amazing video on this that posits that the reason that things exist on a non-quantum level is because we're kind of all intertangled with each other. Your eyes are entangled with the photons that are coming out of your phone right now, which are entangled with the electricity that was used to make them, which are entangled by the atoms in your battery, which is entangled with the heat energy around you, which is entangled with the particles in the atmosphere, which is entangled with weather patterns all over the world, which is entangled with the electromagnetic radiation that the sun shines down on us. In fact, in this model, it is far more common to be entangled than not entangled. And that actually is the basis for many worlds theory. Because if you change the state of one quantum particle, you change the state of everything that's entangled with it, and everything that's entangled with it, and everything that's entangled with it. Now again, this is only one model, but essentially, if things interact on a subatomic level, then they are entangled. Now, if you're talking about how do we make entangled pairs of particles on purpose, that's a whole different story. And that's going to depend on the particle. For example, you can shine a laser through a very specific type of crystal and get entangled pairs of photons. But that's going to vary depending on what experiment you're doing.